In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and store image into the database table using Laravel 13 and Vue Starter Kit. You can see the tutorial in this video description. So let's start it to see how to upload and store image. I'm going to use a package called Spotty Media. So let's search Spotty Media from Google. Go in Installation, copy this, and install the package in our project. After installation, let's prepare the package. Run migration, and then publish file config. And then go in env file. Over here, add queue conversions by default to false. After that, let's go in product model. Add over here implements has media, and make sure to import has media from Spotty. And let's go over here, add a method, register media collections. And then add media collection, passing image as a single file. Let's continue over here, add another method, register media conversions, passing media. And add media conversion, which is thumb. And add fit size to 160/160. And then make sure to import add media conversion from Spotty. Now let's go in product resource. Over here, add image, which get first media URL and passing image and thumb. Now let's go in form product request. Over here, add image, which will be nullable, and add max size. Now let's go in product controller. Add over here a method. Handle form request, passing product and form product request. Create a variable image, which get request validated image. Add a condition, if image and image instance of uploaded file. Add to product a media image to media collection image. And then make sure to import uploaded file.
Now let's add this method in store and update methods. So let's go in update method. Over here, add this method and passing product and request. And then copy this method and paste it into our store method over here and put this create method into variable product.
Now let's go in the Form Crate product page, add image input. So let's go over here, add a div with this class. Within, add a div with this class, and another div with this class. Now let's move this into this div. Okay, as you can see, the form is changed. Now let's add an input image over here. So let's go in this div, add a card component. Within, add a div with this class. Add input with ID image. Type is file, and it is multiple. And he add class. And then add icon upload. Our input is here. Now we need to show the image over here before to save it in our databases. Let's do that. Let's go in input image over here, add name image, and default value product image. Now the add image and product type. Image, it will be a string. Now let's go back in product form. Add a change event called handle change file. This method will help us to change image on the screen, so let's define it over here. Const handle file change. Passing a prevent action. Create a variable file, which get target files. Create a variable reader, which get new file reader. And reader on load end file, which is props product image, and get reader result as string. Reader read as data URL file. Now let's add the image tag, which show the image if it exists. Otherwise, show the image from public folder. So let's choose this image, add it here.
and then add this class. As you can see, the image is here. Now let's hide this icon by adding the class hidden on this upload icon. Now I can try to fill out the form, choose image, and then save it into database. Now I'm going to show the image in this table. First of all, I'm going to run the PHP artisan storage link command, which helps us to make files stored in your private storage app public directory accessible from the web by creating a symbolic link in your public folder. So let's do that by running PHP artisan storage link. Okay, now let's go in products index file. Over here, add table head image. And over here, add table cell with the image tag, which shows the product image if it exists. Otherwise, it will show this Apple Touch icon image. And then add class. As you can see, it showed the image in this table, which is better.
So that is all about of how you can upload and store image with Laravel 13 with Vue Starter Kit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a like if you did and subscribe for more.